situation remains to be tensed in Manipur. There has been couple of protests in Imphal city yesterday in protest of AFSPA. They don't want AFSPA there. Already there was a resolution which was taken by Biren Singh and his cabinet ministers and also the MLAs that the central government should reconsider the reimposition of AFSPA in 6 thanas. So that protest was going on in Imphal. On the other hand, there are reports that another person who is 56 years old, who used to work in the cantonment in this Limakhang area, he is missing since yesterday evening. Now that is also another concern area for the people out there, because just last week this Jiribam incident happened and we know how 6 women and children, they were brutally killed. Their postmortem says it all. There were bullet injuries in the skull, there were bullet injuries in their entire body, there were bruises. So those 6 people, which includes very young kids, children and also women, that really spurred in violence a couple of days last week, and following which that curfew was extended until now, till 27. There is no chance that the school will reopen. So situation remains to be on the edge. Manipur, when Manipur will return to normalcy, that's a question. But we must say that the situation that erupted with the day the body was discovered, the situation is much better than that. But still the concern area is there, and the fact that there's another person who is 56 years old, he has been missing since yesterday. That is again an area of concern for the government. On the other hand, there are 70 companies of the central forces which are there, and they are actually dominating this whole region. But there has been questions that what next to it, what is going to be the political solution. We know that within the government also there are questions on Biren Singh Khemchand, who is another person who is the arch rival of Biren Singh, has been questioning that since the chief minister is unable to control the law and order situation out there, he should resign. That's another point which is raising. Till now the situation is calm. There are protests, but not the protests what we saw last week from Saturday. But the situation remains to be very much uncanny. There is this wide difference between the valley and the hills, and there are the displaced people. There are more security forces there. Now the 7 days ultimatum which was given by the Biren Singh as chief minister with the other ministers, there are certain, the central government is acting in certain directions like NIA. Some of the cases have been taken up by the NIA, and also more deployments of security has been made. But their demand was to declare the Kuki group as a militant group. All those things have not taken place, but still there is a sense of calm. There are protests, but situation is not at what it was last week.